Will you believe if I say that a sneeze healed this woman's lifelong deafness? Jean Haynes, a 22-year-old British woman who worked in a car plant in 1973, discovered that she was allergic to plastic foam. Due to this allergic reaction, she started sneezing and continued for 6 hours. She was moved to a different department, but she let out one more sneeze and suddenly she started hearing sounds. According to doctors, she may have cleared the obstruction in the tube that connects her nose and ears with a sneeze. Miss Haynes claimed that once her auditory capabilities had returned, she had trouble falling asleep because she could now hear noises.